What? What am I doing here? I was in the courtyard. Yes, I know, I was in another world. But now, I've returned to protect her from her sister.
No, they are the people I love the most in this world.
They spent all this time trying to send her away to another world so they could keep all the wealth to themselves.
They were the ones who sent me off with San Pedro so they could control my
No.
Now her wealth and her boyfriend will be mine. Everything will be within my grasp.
I have never been hurt by anything I didn't say.
Fernando, please, just stop.
Oh, what I do?